Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download photos and videos from Google Drive. First you need to get up into the application and you need to find out the setup, which as you can see on the first side it is the video that I want to download it. I need just to tap on the three dots on that video, and if I scroll right down, as you can see I have that option download. Just click on it and as you can see the downloaded session has been started. And also in the second selection it is here the photo site in which I'm gonna download it also by tapping on the three dots and by scrolling down and going on the second selection download. And as you can see also that item has been downloaded. And now if I get up on this fiction, as you can see guys, these two sites or these photos and videos has been downloaded from my Google Drive. Now I can simply tap on it and then with this I can locate it on my phone and I can open it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.